Hi everyone, Dr. Reynolds. The purpose of last week was to define the research method or procedure you will use for your paper. What was critical to do last week was to describe in detail how you would want to collect your data. Now, I always found it easy to think of a method like you would a plan. It is your blueprint for your study. It needs to be as detailed as possible because if you think about it, someone else will have to be able to replicate your study later down the line to verify your results. Now this week, in week 7, you're going to put it all together. All the elements of the research paper that we've done up to this point. Now each weekly exercise has actually prepared you to actually develop these individual elements. Now the specific objectives for this week are to review the elements of graduate level research papers, also to include your proposal that you've done, and taking a look at the capstone manual, that you can find in the resources folder. Also develop findings and conclusions by analyzing the variables that you have identified. And also to keep working on your paper, which you'll be due during week 8. Now, you're not going to write a capstone paper for quite a while, but nonetheless you still need to know what elements go into a capstone or research paper, or what goes into the proposals, and what kinds of information that you'll have to obtain. Now, as you get into any 600 level course, you will find proposals likely will be provided for any paper you may have to write. So this is actually a good introduction without having to write an actual proposal for this class. You're then going to formulate some conclusions and march forward with the paper, since it will be due at the end of week 7. Now for this week, you're going to stitch all that together. You're going to stitch together your introduction and lit review that you have been working on over the past 6 weeks or so. You're also going to refine it based on the feedback that I've given you. Then you're going to draft a methodology, an analysis and findings, and a conclusion section. Now there's no assignment due this week, so you'll have plenty of time to focus on your paper. There is, however, a week 7 forum posting assignment that I need everyone to look at. So please be sure that you've gone and done that this week, and you know the standard rules apply with that. Now, if any of you have any problems or you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Please shoot me a message via the in-class messages tool. And I hope everyone has a good week. Thanks, everybody.